Okay, what do we got here? This is a grinder, very similar to all the apple cider grinders that you see around the internet. This is using a real popular garbage disposal for it. It's a Waste King 8000, and it has 1 horsepower. It was ordered off of Amazon. Here, I'll stick the camera down there so you can see that. And we use these 5-gallon buckets to catch the output of it. This cabinet that we made for it is 36 inches tall, and then the panels on the side are 30 inches by 18 inches deep. And of course, like the other people, we've used a stainless steel mixing bowl from Walmart, and we happen to have a lid laying around that happens to fit it. And what's in there right now is a guava, because we're here in Hawaii. And the throat on this thing is kind of small. I think it's about 4 inches, so it doesn't, things have to be chopped up to go through there. So you could take the rubber flap or whatever you call that that's in the inside out, and you would gain an additional inch, but then you would have food flying straight back out of it again. That's not so good. We have a plunger here that has a dowel that goes across, so it can be used while it's running, and the plunger won't jam into the impeller blades or whatever you call the cutting blades and causes it to chew up the wood plunger. Okay, so this particular disposal came with a cord pre-wired on it, so I just put it into a voltage strip, and that seems to work okay. So we'll try this thing out in a few minutes. Okay, so now we're going to grind up some mango peelings that our chickens like. This makes it possible that the chickens can get a natural meal in addition to their chicken feed. So Alex turns it on and dumps them in. No water being used, and you can see what comes out. What comes out is very smooth. This will also take bones, chicken bones. We haven't tried beef bones, but we have tried chicken bones, and it works real good. Because an important part of the chicken's diet is the calcium that's in bones that they need for the shells. When we're all done, we will clean it out with a hose. But all the parts inside are stainless steel, and the bowl is stainless steel, so it should stay pretty clean. We put a dowel on that 2x2 that he's using to force the food in to keep it from chewing up the dowel. So it's really cutting down these mango peelings in a hurry. And we found that even our dog likes this stuff. The various things that we grind up. Our German Shepherd thinks it's wonderful. Kind of like a giant juicer. It's like the grist mills that people used to use for chickens. Nothing slows down this Waste King 8000. Okay, so we got the idea for this thing from an article in Farm Show. What month was that, Alex? Do you remember? The May issue, I think, maybe, a Farm Show. that people normally use this for a cider grinder, but we want to use it for leftovers for our chickens. All right. Not yet.